Step 1. Turn on subtitles. Choose your language. Click on video to pause. In the right corner you will find the CC button. Click on it to activate subtitles. Click on the three dots and choose your language from captions. Step 2. If you find the video too slow or too fast, you can change the speed of video. Click on the three dots from right corner and choose the speed. Step 3. Prepare yarn and hook. Let's begin. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I invite you to crochet together one of the best motifs a beginner can learn, the granny square. This classic granny square pattern, you may hear them referred to as Afghan squares or motifs as well. You will be amazed at how many uses you can give it: blankets, pillows, sweater, even bags. The rest is up to your imagination. This pattern is perfect traversable, and it's made from groups of 3 double crochet, or in UK terms, from groups of 3 treble crochet. Traditional granny squares are worked in the round, which means we'll be joining yarn to form a continuous round. In this pattern, after each row we need to turn the work. You can use any size hook and weight yarn. Depending of your yarn, hook and tension dimensions can vary. For this one I used 2-ply acrylic yarn and the 3mm crochet hook. It have almost 5 centimeters. Start with a slip knot. Because I'm trying not to do the video too long, I will put more details in written. So don't forget to check video description. Do 4 chains. Insert hook in first chain and do a slip stitch. In this way we will get a circle on which we will work 4 groups of 3 double stitches each, or treble stitches in UK terms. Chain 3. We will consider this 3 chain as the first double stitch or treble stitch in UK terms. Insert the crochet hook in circle and crochet 2 double stitches or 2 treble stitches in UK terms. We got the first group of 3 stitches. Crochet 2 chain and make the second group of 3 stitches on the circle. We will make 3 double stitches or 3 treble stitches in UK terms. Keep the tail yarn close to the circle and work over it to hide it. We obtained first corner of our granny square. Crochet 2 chain and make the third group of 3 stitches on the circle. We made second corner of our granny square. Crochet 2 chain and make the fourth group of 3 stitches on the circle. Chain 2 and join with a slip stitch on top of first stitch. More precisely, we need to insert hook in the third bolts of the chain of 3. By joining with this slip stitch, we'll obtain the fourth corner of square. This is row 1 of the basic granny square. If you want to find later this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe our channel or save the video. For the second row, we will work in each corner 2 groups of 3 stitches, separated by 2 chains. We turn the work, and we do a slip stitch in first corner. We can cut the rest of the yarn, so it doesn't get tangled. Chain 3 to substitute the first stitch of the row 2. We complete the first group of 3 stitches with 2 double crochet, or 2 treble crochet in UK terms. Chain 2 to form the first corner of row 2, and do another group of 3 stitches in same space. We chain 1 to form a side space, then we go in next corner, the second. Here we crochet 2 groups of 3 stitches separated by 2 chain. We chain 1 to make another lateral space, then we go in next corner, the third. Here we crochet 2 groups of 3 stitches separated by 2 chain. I'll fast forward and go to the fourth corner. Same rule, 1 chain for lateral space and 2 groups of 3 stitches separated by 2 chains, in same corner. We chain 1 and join with a slip stitch on top of first stitch to end row 2 of our granny square. We shape a little the work to form a square with well-defined corners. Before starting the row 3, don't forget to turn the work. Now, we have 4 spaces in corners, where we will work 2 groups of 3 stitches each separated by chain of 2. This way will be made corners of row 3. And 4 lateral spaces, where we will do only 1 group of 3 stitches, separated by the other groups of 3 stitches with only 1 chain. In first space near the crochet hook, we'll do a slip stitch, then because it's a lateral space, we'll do only 1 group of 3 stitches. So we do 3 chain, that will be first stitch, and 2 double crochet or 2 treble crochet in UK terms. Chain 1 to form a side space, then, because next space is a corner space, we'll work 2 groups of 3 stitches each separated by chain of 2. Chain 1 to form a side space, then, because next space is a lateral space, we'll work only 1 group of 3 stitches in this space. Chain 1 to form a side space, then, because next space is a corner space, we'll work 2 groups of 3 stitches each separated by chain of 2. I'll fast forward and go to the 4th corner. Same rule, chain 1 to form a side space, then. If next space is a lateral space, we'll work only 1 group of 3 stitches in this space. If next space is a corner space, we'll work 2 groups of 3 stitches each separated by chain of 2. Chain 1 and join with a slip stitch on top of first stitch. And that's it. All the rounds now will be the same as given for round 3. You can follow the instructions to make as many rounds as you like to make the square the size you want. Remember, in a corner space, we work 2 groups of 3 stitches each, separated by chain of 2. In a lateral space, we work only 1 group of 3 stitches separated by other group with 1 chain. This basic granny square pattern is for just 3 rounds. You can totally continue to make larger granny squares. Just continue like in round 3, crochet 3 double crochet or 3 treble crochet in UK terms, and chain 1 in each lateral space in between corner spaces. This will grow your granny square. With each round, you will have more spaces and groups of 3 stitches along each edge. Keep adding them to grow the granny as big as you want. 2 groups of 3 stitches separated by 2 chain in corners to form next corners. 1 group of 3 stitches separated by other group with 1 chain to form more side spaces. To finish a granny square, chain 1 and pull the yarn through the last loop, leaving a tail, then cut with scissors. Weave in the loose ends with a yarn needle or with the crochet hook. Once you feel comfortable crocheting a classic granny square in a single color, you can take it further by changing colors in each round. Please let me know in the comments if you want that I make a tutorial about a multicolor granny square. I hope you have seen that the granny square holds no mysteries to those who have followed a step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you soon.